friends, this is the Kohima War Cemetery, where the bloodiest battle of the Second World War and the greatest battle in the history of Britain has been fought between the Commonwealth forces, that is Britishers, including Indian troops as well as Nepali troops. They were in the defensive role as a part of 4 Corps Imphal, and 2nd Division were defending the area of the Garrison Hill and the Kohima. The attack was launched by the 15th Regiment of the Japanese forces, and a two-prong attack was carried out through Mizoram. One had to take over the Imphal, one to capture the Imphal, and another to Kohima. The aim was to cut the supply lines of the British forces, including the Indian troops, that is Commonwealth troops. So the offensive was launched in April 1944 by the Japanese along with the Indian National Army, and when the attack was launched, the defensive force of the 2nd Regiment of the Commonwealth forces, they fought bravely, and the delayed the enemy to take over the Kohima. A fierce battle was fought. The reinforced finally reached. The battle carried on, claiming many lives. Many officers, they made sacrifices. Jawan troops, they made sacrifices here. And 917 Indians got martyrdom here, including Sikhs and the Hindus who were fighting. So this memorial has a great significance, as it is the bloodiest battle fought in the history of, especially in the Second World War time. So now we have come to the top of this hill, which is called as the Garrison Hill, which those days was the, you know, the commissioner's residence. And this white line you can see is with the exact area where this fierce battle between the Commonwealth forces and the Japanese, along with the Indian National Army, took place. And in the highest traditions of army of any country, the one ethos that every country, the defense forces, they follow, that is what they say is, when you go home, tell them of us, for their tomorrow we gave her today. So in the highest traditions of any army, the supreme sacrifices made by these brave soldiers, they still, they tell us, they remind us that every breath we take, every freedom that we enjoy is because of the supreme sacrifices made by such valiant soldiers.
dying of hunger.
Warner Brothers.
So here you can see the names of the 917, 917, 917 Indian officers and soldiers yes, who made the supreme sacrifice in the highest traditions of the army. Most of them being Hindu and Sikh. So you can see in Gurmukhi also. The name is written. So this memorial is dedicated to those Indian soldiers. The ferocity of a battle or a war may be understood by many. The ferocity of the war or the battle, can be narrated by many. But the ferocity of the war, the ferocity of the battle can be felt only by those who have been in the battlefield in their lifetime. And I can very closely relate to it